As BTS members complete their mandatory military service and prepare for a full group comeback, the financial world is closely watching how these developments influence the performance of HYBE Corporation's stock. Among the 7 members, Jimin's return, accompanied by his strong global fanbase and proven solo commercial success, is emerging as a key factor in shaping investor sentiment as the company heads into one of its most anticipated periods in years. Industry analysts note that the market has been responding steadily to updates about BTS's group activities, especially after Jimin confirmed earlier this month that the recording process for BTS's next full album has been completed. This announcement, combined with growing expectations of a 2026 comeback, is being interpreted as a powerful indicator that HYBE is entering a new cycle of heightened productivity and revenue generation. During BTS's enlistment period, HYBE's stock underwent fluctuations, largely influenced by reduced group activity and uncertainty surrounding the timeline of the members' return. While HYBE continued to expand through new labels, acquisitions, and emerging artists, revenue streams associated with BTS remained an irreplaceable driver of the company's financial ecosystem. With Jimin's return, analysts say HYBE is regaining one of its most reliable assets, a performer whose solo career has shown not only artistic strength, but also extraordinary commercial viability. Jimin's record-breaking solo achievements, such as topping global charts, generating strong album sales, and attracting international brand partnerships, suggest that his reactivation will significantly boost HYBE's revenue streams. Financial experts highlight that investor confidence often strengthens around concrete milestones. BTS finishing military service is one such milestone. Another is the confirmation of album progress, which often correlates with spikes in stock trading volume. Market watchers predict that once HYBE releases promotional schedules or teaser content for the group's official comeback, the stock could experience an even more noticeable rally. Jimin's participation in upcoming BTS promotions, world tours, merchandise releases, and media appearances is expected to contribute to a sustained upward trend. Historically, Jimin has been one of the most influential members in driving global virality, search volume, and brand engagement, factors that translate directly into market value for the company. According to projected models from entertainment industry analysts, HYBE's revenue in 2026 could experience a significant year-over-year increase, driven by several Jimin-related factors. BTS's full album sales, boosted by Jimin's strong international fandom, world tour ticketing revenue, where BTS traditionally sells out stadiums globally, merchandising and licensing, with Jimin often ranking as a top seller, potential solo activities, including brand endorsements and soundtrack appearances, streaming numbers, especially if Jimin contributes to highly anticipated tracks on the new album. These predictions come after HYBE reported stabilized revenue during BTS's enlistment, thanks to diversification. However, analysts suggest that the return of BTS, powered by names like Jimin, may propel HYBE into its strongest fiscal period since 2020-2021. Beyond HYBE's internal finances, Jimin's return signals a broader shift within the K-pop industry. BTS's comeback is expected to reignite global interest in Korean music, potentially boosting streaming platforms, international concerts, cultural exports, and even tourism numbers in South Korea. For HYBE, however, Jimin's presence represents more than just a comeback. It marks the return of a central figure whose emotional connection with fans, proven work ethic, and market power could help restore momentum during the company's next strategic chapter. As anticipation continues to build, analysts agree on one thing: Jimin's reactivation, combined with the group's imminent return, sets the stage for HYBE to enter one of its most profitable eras yet. Although HYBE stock has not yet seen explosive short-term jumps, analysts at Seoul-based investment firms note that the company's gradual upward trend throughout late 2025 reflects a slow-building rally associated with BTS's full return. Jimin's confirmation that the group has finished recording their new album acted as a quiet but powerful catalyst. Financial data from late October to mid-November 2025 shows modest but consistent increases in HYBE's daily trading volume. Investors appear to be positioning themselves early, anticipating a strong first and second quarter in 2026 when BTS officially resumes full-scale group promotions. One senior analyst at Mary Asset commented, "Jimin's announcements carry substantial weight. His influence on global fan engagement directly correlates with HYBE's market performance. Investors know this, and that's why even small updates from him can trigger confidence across the board." Among BTS members, Jimin is widely recognized not only for his artistic strengths, but also for his track record of high-impact commercial performance. His solo releases, brand partnerships, and viral cultural influence consistently generate measurable economic gains. This is why financial experts believe his post-military return could strategically shape HYBE's profit trajectory. Economists point to three key factors. Global social media dominance. Jimin regularly trends worldwide during major announcements, amplifying HYBE's visibility to investors and corporate partners. High conversion power. Jimin's fanbase is known for exceptionally high purchasing behavior, whether physical albums, merchandise, or digital content, directly contributing to revenue spikes. Cross-industry marketing influence. His association with luxury and beauty brands often leads to significant increases in sales, expanding HYBE's reputation as a top-tier talent management company. These attributes position Jimin as a financial engine as HYBE re-enters a BTS-driven era. During BTS's military hiatus, HYBE's financial structure relied on subsidiary labels and non-group projects. While successful, these could not fully replace the astronomical revenue BTS generated before enlistment. The return of all members, particularly the most commercially influential ones like Jimin, is expected to rebalance HYBE's revenue distribution. Projected financial models suggest a 30 to 40% spike in album-related revenue, a return to stadium-scale world tours, potentially generating hundreds of millions of dollars, a surge in brand collaborations, OST opportunities, and global partnerships, increased Weverse engagement, boosting HYBE's platform-based earnings, stronger international market expansion, especially in North America and Southeast Asia. With BTS preparing for a full group comeback, analysts predict HYBE could approach or surpass its 2021 peak, a year often cited as the company's golden financial era. Investor behavior in the entertainment sector is often influenced not just by official financial reports, but by cultural excitement, fan momentum, and public sentiment. Jimin's public comments about recording progress, upcoming promotions, and his eagerness to return to ARMY have created a renewed sense of enthusiasm that spills over into the market. A private investment strategist in Singapore summed it up. When Jimin speaks, global fans respond instantly. In finance, that's called sentiment power, something money alone can't buy. HYBE is entering a period where sentiment and opportunity are strongly aligned. Despite the positive momentum, experts also point out several potential risks. HYBE's over-reliance on BTS could expose the company to financial volatility if comeback performance expectations are not met. Global economic uncertainty in 2026 may affect large-scale touring capacities. The increasing competition among 4th and 5th generation K-pop groups could challenge BTS's traditional market dominance. However, most analysts agree that BTS, powered by members like Jimin, remains unmatched in global brand strength. The return of the full lineup provides HYBE with a competitive advantage that few companies in the entertainment industry can rival. As 2025 comes to a close, HYBE stands on the edge of a historic revival. Jimin's return and his strategic role in the upcoming BTS comeback are injecting fresh momentum into the company's financial outlook. With album preparations reportedly completed and excitement growing ahead of a 2026 world tour, investors are watching closely, and many are preparing for what could become one of HYBE's most profitable years to date. In the emerging landscape of post-enlistment K-pop, Jimin's influence is proving to be not only cultural, but deeply economic, solidifying his place as one of the most powerful figures driving HYBE's future.